An eSIM is a digital SIM embedded in your device, eliminating the need for a physical SIM. To get an AT&T eSIM QR code, log into your AT&T account via the website or My AT&T app, navigate to Add a Device or eSIM, and request the QR code, which will be emailed or displayed instantly. Alternatively, visit an AT&T store or call 1-800-331-0500. Agents can generate and send the code via text or email. When purchasing a compatible device from AT&T's site, opt for eSIM during checkout for immediate QR code delivery. Authorized retailers like Best Buy may offer eSIM setup assistance, but the QR code will still be sourced from AT&T. Note that the QR code is one-time use and expires after 24 to 48 hours for security. Before scanning, ensure your device supports eSIM. Check settings under Cellular on iOS or Network and Internet, followed by SIMs on Android. Open your device's camera or eSIM setup app, scan the QR code, and follow the prompts to download the AT&T profile. Activation typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and requires a stable internet connection. Once scanned, your device will connect to the AT&T network using the downloaded profile. For travelers, eSIMs simplify switching between carriers, avoiding physical SIM swapping. If you encounter issues, double-check your device compatibility and ensure a strong internet connection during activation. AT&T also offers support via its app or customer service for any connectivity hiccups. Remember to keep your QR code secure, as it is essential for activating your eSIM profile.